In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a poll to your Wix website using a dedicated poll app. This process will help engage your audience with interactive content that encourages participation. So, let's get started. First, you need to navigate to your Wix dashboard. Once you're there, look for the App Market. It's usually located on the left side of your screen. The App Market is like a marketplace specifically for apps that can enhance the functionality of your Wix site. In the search bar, type in poll. You'll see a variety of options come up, such as easy polls and surveys, or quick polls. Take a moment to explore the features of each option to decide which one best fits your needs. Once you've made your choice, click on Add to Site and follow the on-screen prompts to install it. This will seamlessly integrate the app with your existing site setup, making it easy to manage right from your dashboard. With the app now installed, it's time to create your poll. Within the app's settings, you'll find options to start creating a poll. Begin by customizing your question. Try to make it clear and engaging to get the best responses. Then, think about the answer choices you want to provide. You can use simple text options, or even incorporate images if they enhance the poll experience or make the questions more engaging. Also, take advantage of the design customization tools to ensure your poll aligns aesthetically with your site. This might include adjusting colors, fonts, or layout, whatever you believe will be most visually cohesive. Once you're satisfied with the setup of your poll, it's time to share it. Look for the Share or Embed option in the app. This is usually quite straightforward. Clicking this will provide you with a unique HTML code that represents your poll. This code is crucial as it's what you'll use to place the poll on your site. Now let's move on to embedding your newly created poll on your website. Head over to the Wix editor and navigate to the particular page you envision your poll residing. On the left sidebar, you'll see an Add button, symbolized by a plus sign. Click on that, then choose the Embed Code option. Here you'll select Embed a Widget. A box will pop up where you can paste the HTML code you previously copied. After pasting, click Update to ensure it takes effect. Don't forget to adjust the size and positioning of the poll within your layout. Wix gives you fairly flexible options to resize and drag the embedded box, so everything fits nicely on your page and is accessible to visitors. Once all these steps are completed, take a moment to preview your site. This is your chance to catch any final tweaks that might need addressing. Finally, hit Publish to make your poll live and engage with your audience in this interactive way. There you go, your Wix site now features an interactive poll, ready to gather insights or just engage in fun with your audience.